Hello everyone, this is John Barton, the founder of JB Cases. I've been asked to give some specs of the Mason case as to what it can hold, how much it weighs, and what the capacity looks like when it's full. So first of all, this is a semi-hard case that we do. You can see here it's constructed of nice veg tan leather. The form of the case, okay, as you can see, you can squeeze it a little bit, but the form of the case comes from a unique construction of how we did the interior, where we basically take the same interior that we use for the butterfly cases, and we reconfigured it slightly to fit inside of this shell. This case features a very soft interior, lots of padding, generous padding, magnetic latch here. The pocket has a magnetic latch on it. Double zippers on each side of the pocket, so it's easy to get into. This particular one features a joint protector and chalk holder here in the pocket, so if you can see that. And also on the bottom here, this side features an L zipper, which means that you can easily see inside the entire pocket and get into the pocket. On this side, it features a jump handle compartment, so you can put your jump cue in here, and this pocket here happens to be 18 inches, so that you can fit the longer jump cues inside. Now, I have been asked to show you what the capacity is of the case. First of all, let me also tell you the weight. The weight of this case is 4 pounds. I had earlier reported 2.5 pounds, which is true for the case that doesn't have the longer pockets. So the one that has either one pocket here or no pockets is 2.5 pounds. But with the extra pockets and the hardware that goes with it, that raises it up 1.5 pounds to a total of 4 pounds empty, the empty weight. Now, let's go ahead and put some cues in so you can see what happens. First, let me measure and show you that this case will hold 32 inches total capacity. Okay, so I don't know if you could read this here. Let me bring it over here. So that's 32 inches to this point right here, which is just below the curve where the case closes. All right, so 32 inches. And the longest cue that I have to put in here is this one. It's a sneaky pea here with an inlay, and that cue comes in at just about 31 inches. Okay, so let's go ahead and load it up and show you how it loads up. So first of all, we're going to put this cue in one side. Now this cue here, I chose this one deliberately because it's a Kevin Varney, but it happens to be, for some reason, a little bit shorter than normal. So this one, measuring from the pin, measures it, well actually it's not, it's 29 inches, but it seems shorter. Anyway, yeah, it's shorter when you play it. It's 28 inches, as you can see. But with the pin, it's 29 inches, okay? So, this one I'm going to put in the center section, okay, which is just formed by 2 sections in here. Then take this one over here, which is a normal length cue. Putting that down in there. Now we have 3 cues inside the case, all right, and you can reach in and you can get to all 3 of them without any problem. That's the shortest one, and you can still get to it. So, now the shafts. Okay, the shafts go in easily. You just simply put it to the side and stick it in, and it'll find its own hole there. Same thing here. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing here. These 2 shafts have joint protectors. Okay, I'm going to hold this up so you can hopefully see me do it. So you just put it to the side like this and finds its own place, and there it is. Once you do this a few times, you already got it, and it becomes second nature, no problem. So now this is with 3 butts and 4 shafts are now in here. And then to close it, you simply put the magnetic latch over it, and that's what it looks like closed. Okay, now, again, as with all our cases, you can turn it upside down and nothing's coming out until you want to take it out. But taking it out is just this easy. You just simply remove the parts that you want to come out, and no problem. So everything comes out easily. Okay, now, obviously, in the middle section you can put a shaft if you like. You don't have to put an extra butt. If you prefer to put just a shaft, you can do that. As a matter of fact, if you wanted to, you can also fit 2 shafts in there if you prefer. But I don't recommend overstuffing it like that. But here's 2 butts and 5 shafts in the case. Okay. So just to recap real quick, the case holds 2 butts and 5 shafts, or 3 butts and 4 shafts. It holds up to 32 inches, so let me just show that again. This is a 31 inch. The black one on this, the black joint cap on this side represents 31 inches. So you can see that you definitely have an extra inch of room there. So you could put a total of 32 inches would fit into this cavity here. So the case holds 32 inches. Empty weight is 4 pounds. Let me run over and see what the full weight is real quick and let you know. So over here I have a scale, a hanging luggage scale, and the full weight of this case with 2 butts and 5 shafts is 6 pounds. Is that right? All right, 65, yeah, 6 pounds. So the full weight is 6 pounds full. That's not including all your accessories and other crap that you might put in here. But anyway, that's the Mason case. This is our rubber bottom that we incorporate in the bottom that's inlaid, so it's not coming out. Everything's hand sewn here. We got a hand sewn seam on the back of this one, so it's nice and elegant. And there you go. So thank you for your time. Appreciate your business. Bye-bye.